Alright, we are going to do a Demolition Derby. It's 8 and 0. Demolition Derby. We got 4s and 6s. It'll be me, Dylan.
Could you see me,
and
Dylan?
my brother Hunter.
Dylan, could you see
Now,
me?
we agreed to switch cars for this. Oh, yeah. We are going to switch cars. Usually I drive Hunter's car. Well, usually I drive my car and Hunter drives his. But we decided to change it up a little bit. So now, Hunter will go on the back stretch and I will stay on the front stretch. Coming to the line. Right on the line, Hunt. Right on the back straightaway. Yep. Wait a second. All right. 3, 2, 1, go! I think Hunter won it.
No, I didn't.
I told you, we should have said whoever flipped over loses. Your car can't run if it's flipped over. Hunter has won this, but I will be back.
Now we're gonna do the only 8-cylinder.
Okay, next up are the 8-cylinder Demolition Derbies. 8-cylinder Demolition Derby.